Winter storm warning now in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Caribou has issued a winter storm warning, which is in effect until 10 p.m. Locations: Washington County and central Piscataquis counties. Hazards: heavy snow. Snow accumulations, 4 to 8 inches. Timing: into tonight. Impacts: snow will make travel difficult with snow-covered roads. Due to the significant amount of snow already on the ground across parts of down East Maine, it will make snow removal difficult. Wind, southwest 5 to 10 miles an hour. Temperature, in the upper teens to lower 20s. Precautionary preparedness actions. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.